Lalit Tandon. My age is 69. My wife Sadhya Tandon. Her age is 61. We came to this hospital for leg, our knee replacement surgery. Dr. Bhor has conducted. The surgery has gone very well, and now the improvement is also very fine. She is able to walk, she is able to climb, but little pain is there, which will subside after some time. The services of the hospital is very nice. I really liked it too. And especially Dr. Bhor as well as Mr. Abhishek, both are very, very cooperative and done a lot of things for us. I'm also thankful to the Farah madam because she has also been looking after her and her team, and also the physiotherapy team in training my wife up and down. I will always like to recommend outsiders, please come here. The robotic surgery is very nice conducted here. And please avail the facility of this hospital.